Hi guys, this is Jerry with yet another video. In this video, I'm going to unbox my new motherboard that I have bought for my new PC that I had promised. Yeah, I'm going to unbox the B450 Gaming Pro Carbon AC. So this is the best B450 motherboard available in the market. That's why I bought this one. So this motherboard actually comes with a new sticker here, AMD Ryzen 3000 desktop ready. It used to be just 2000. In this case, you would have to update the BIOS, but it seems like this motherboard comes with the latest BIOS, so I won't have to update the BIOS. So motherboard comes with a neat package, and you can see that here. So if you look at the back, it shows all the features this motherboard actually comes with. So this motherboard comes with all the luxurious features that you would expect on high-end motherboard. That's why I actually bought this. At the same time, you could save some bucks if you don't want to go for a high-end version of motherboard that supports third generation Ryzen CPU. Despite being B450, the motherboard actually features Type-C port and Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and even RGB lighting all around it, and with the Mystic Light support, MSI Mystic Light support, you could actually control with its dedicated software. So the motherboard also features audio boost and turbo M.2, and it features flash BIOS button. It means that you could actually update the BIOS of this motherboard without installing CPU. That's the main reason I went for this motherboard, because I wouldn't be able to update the BIOS of this motherboard. But however, the motherboard comes with pre-installed latest BIOS, so I don't have to update this. But when I decided to buy this motherboard, the motherboard was not supporting the latest Ryzen CPU. The motherboard does come with AM4 socket, but the problem was that the motherboard doesn't have the latest BIOS, right? With flash BIOS button, right? You just need to connect the motherboard to power supply. You don't have to install the CPU or graphics card, anything. You just need to copy the BIOS in a flash drive and connect it and hit that flash BIOS button. Then it will install the latest BIOS, so that you can actually install the latest Ryzen CPU on this motherboard. So let's see what's inside, okay? So I'm going to unbox this motherboard. Let's see what's inside, guys. So this is the motherboard. I have to open it. Let's see what's inside and what it looks like. To dissipate the heat from your motherboard, the motherboard actually comes with extended heat sinks. The motherboard has two M.2 slots, and one of them features M.2 shield with thermal pad to keep it cool. It has got 4 DIMM slots and supports up to 64 GB of RAM. You should never be running out of memory. On your panel, the board features a total of 6 USB ports, including one Type-C. The board also features HDMI and a display, and a dual antenna offers fast and stable wireless connectivity. On the other side of the board, you have 6 SATA ports for your storage needs. If you want to save some bucks but not ready to compromise on performance and features for your CPUs like 3700X and 3800X, this is the motherboard you should go for. You shouldn't have any problem running these CPUs on this board. You should be able to get maximum performance out of your CPU. So that's B450 Gaming Pro Carbon AC. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Also share the video with your friends and others.